Organizations need to realize that not all machine learning is created equally. An understanding of their use cases is critical so that they can select the best tool for their organization and security needs. In the world of cybersecurity, you'll often hear the term supervised machine learning. Supervised machine learning relies on large labeled data sets in order to train their models. This type of machine learning is really effective for known cyber attacks such as malware, with which we have decades worth of data on. So there are a lot of attacks where we're not going to get that kind of data and never will, such as attacks that originate from an insider, zero-day attacks, targeted attacks. We will not get the data for that. So INTERSET employs unsupervised machine learning. And what we can do there is we can establish normal baselines based on unlabeled data. Well, we combine unsupervised machine learning with another layer of math. This allows us to pinpoint behaviors that are abnormal. With this, we can take billions and billions of events, turn them into a top 5 or top 25 important leads for your security operations center to focus their investigation on. There is no one algorithm that's going to be your silver bullet solution for all your security needs. Deep learning, neural networks, Bayesian methods, they all get a lot of attention these days, but the fact of the matter is your data sets and your use cases are really going to define what is the best algorithm for you to use. The SOC teams we work with are dealing with a lot of very complex threats on a daily basis. A lot of them, frustratingly, are unknown attacks. Threats from insiders, zero-day attacks, targeted attacks, and a lot of the techniques that occur after a breach, such as persistence. Bad actors want to establish their longevity in the network so they can continue attacking over a long period of time. They want to discover more targets to attack, so they will look for hosts, what the operating systems are, user accounts, other security software, and they'll want to hide their tracks. They want to evade your security software so that they can remain unseen for long periods of time. All of these things keep software security professionals up at night. Traditional approaches that are based on rules or signatures really miss a lot of these attacks because these attacks don't follow known patterns. Also, a lot of these attacks, they're very subtle, so they will fly under the radar of your security operations center. With unsupervised machine learning, we can get both more creative and more analytical. We can see activities on your network through a new and better lens.